How to get up to 20% discount on Bed Bath and Beyond. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to get the promo code, just get started. First of all, open any of your browser and search for latimes.com/coupon code. From the coupon menu, select Bed Bath and Beyond. Scroll down to see different options which provides you up to 20% or $20 coupon code. To use any of them, just tap on View Coupon and you can see the code on the screen. Just copy it and visit the website. It'll take you to the official web page. After this, you can either continue to app or website. While you have put it in the cart while checking out, make sure to redeem the code by pasting it and it'll be successfully implemented. So this is all for today's video. Do let us know about it's working or not. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.